Good morning, everyone. I, Shubhangi Singh, along with my co-host Kumar Saurav Ranjan, we are delighted to welcome you back to CIMP, your second home, and to Rahe Alumni Meet 2025. It feels wonderful to see our alumni family gather once again under one roof. While we celebrate this joyous occasion, let us also take a moment to remember our dear friends and alumni who are no longer with us. Their memories and contribution will always remain a part of CIMP, and today's gathering is also dedicated to them with love and respect.
Absolutely, Shivangi. Also, today, it is not just an event. It's a celebration of memories, friendship, and the legacy of Chandragupta Institute of Management, Patna. While you all enjoy this today's event, do reconnect with your old friends and professor. Let the nostalgia flow. To mark the beginning of this auspicious gathering, we will start with the lamp lighting ceremony, a symbol of wisdom, positivity, and eternal flame of knowledge.
May I request our esteemed director, Professor Dr. Rana Singh sir, along with Shri Kumud Kumar sir, CAO CIMP, and our respectful faculty members to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you, sir and ma'am. With the light of knowledge guiding us, it's time to invoke divine blessings.
As tradition guides us, no auspicious occasion begins without invoking the blessing of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacle and the harbinger of wisdom.
To grace this moment, we now invite our very own Nishant, whose soulful voice will lead us into divine blessing through a melodious Ganesh Vandana.
Let us all welcome Nishant with our hearts open as he set the stage with devotion and positivity.
Deva Shri Ganesha, 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 Deva Shri Ganesha. ज्वाला दिखती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाही क्या उसका रब कहता है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रे जिसकी रखवाली यारे करती सा साया तेरा ऐ देवा श्री गणेशा देवा श्री गणेशा देवा श्री गणेशा देवा श्री गणेशा देव श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेशा देवा श्री गणेशा देव श्री गणेशा देव। वरदान है जो कमाए वो धनवान है, बिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो देवा तुझसे अनजान है। तो मूषक सवारी तेरी सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी, पाप की आंधी आलत हो कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी। खुद की तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहाँ रे जिसकी ने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा ऐ देवा श्री गणेशा 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 देवा श्री गणेश देवा श्री गणेशा देवा। देवा जो भक्त तेरा जिए उसे अमृत का है मोह क्या, हंस के विष का वो प्याला पिए। महिमा की छाया चले काल के रथ का पहिया चले, एक चिंगारी प्रतिशोध से खड़ी रावण की लंका जले। शत्रुओं की कतारे एक अकेले से हारे, कण भी पर्वत हुआ रे शोक बन के जहाँ रे नाम आया तेरा हे देवा श्री गणेशा 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 देवा श्री गणेशा। मधील चन्या दोन्यानी पांगी ऋतू तुझे त्रिवेंगालिंगन आनंद पूजन भवेव वालिन मने नमः। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बंधु सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्याधरं त्वमेव त्वमेव बंधु सखा त्वमेव ऐलवता मंदिरेव बुधस्मराव प्रतिष्ठां करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणानि स्वप्रं। अच्युतं केशवं राम नारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेव हरि श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिका वल्लभं जानकी नायकं रामचंद्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Nishant. That was a truly serene and set the perfect tone for the rest of the day.
And now, let us dedicate this alumni meet to our beloved members who are no longer with us. Late Abhinav Chandra Singh, Amrita, Saurav, and Rajesh Bhaiya. To honor their memory, may I request everyone to kindly observe 2 minutes of silence.
With that, let's move ahead. May I now invite respected Director Professor Dr. Rana Singh sir for the welcome address.
Esteemed faculty colleagues, staff members, our alumni and our bright young students from the PGDM batch, PGDM IEV batch and FPM batch together. A very warm good afternoon to each one of you. It's indeed a great pleasure to see so many bright alumni coming from different parts of Bihar and rest of the country today. And I deem it my valued privilege to extend my heartfelt welcome to each of our alumni members and soon to be alumni members also after a few months. Great round of applause from all of our sides. It's a great feeling today to have a lot of young and vibrant minds who are here today, collectively welcoming the alumni from different parts of the country. I congratulate all members from the alumni family for sparing their valuable time and coming back to CIMP campus. It was a great feeling at Bangalore. We were together at Bangalore last weekend on a lovely Sunday, and I'm happy to share the weather there was so welcoming, I cannot tell you. The moment we started our alumni meet, it started raining. And it was loveliest weather of the whole year. And the moment we finished off with our alumni meet, it again started raining cats and dogs. So it was a great feeling altogether. And let me congratulate the alumni chair and one of our marvelous alumni, Nitish Nigam, with a big round of applause for organizing the alumni meet at Bangalore and for establishing the Bangalore chapter at Bangalore. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks and gratitude to all my faculty colleagues who have been tirelessly working for last couple of decades. We are now in the 17th year of our existence. Can we have a big round of applause for all our bright faculty members who have been shaping the alumni for so many years. And let me tell you, it was again a great feeling. During the alumni session, a lot of faculty colleagues were discussed. When the alumni came, they were given a free hand, an open mic to share whatever they feel. And they took the name of some of the faculty colleagues for all the good reasons, and no critics about anybody. So they took the names of different faculty colleagues, and it was really a very nice experience. Let me tell you the main objective of Alumni Meet. Alumni Meet is not just a mission to come together, mission to celebrate, but also a mission to give back to the society. We are all indebted to three mothers. Our own mother who has given us the birth, the alma mater which has given us the personality what we are, and our motherland. So this was given to me by my great gurus, that we are indebted to three mothers: our mother, alma mater, and the motherland country. So we are indebted, and it's always a pleasure to come back to the alma mater and see how things are changing. I am sure those of you who have come after a long period, you see some change at CIMP campus, yes or no? Great. Some voices are there. I'm sure today the voices are relatively less. But let me share my thoughts, views, and my commitment along with all my faculty colleagues. CIMP, along with all its faculty and staff members, is committed to stand tall and grow every going day and set new benchmarks of excellence in the domain of management education, research, consultancy, training, innovation, incubation, and commercialization. Some of our alumni, they have been doing amazing work in the corporate world. I was delighted to see our first batch student serving Boston Consulting Group. And I'm happy to share that our alumni have started contributing to some of the top-notch consulting firms, including Mr. Aryan from the first batch serving Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, and many more to come. So it's a great experience when I met our alumni of the yesteryears. And when I stand before you, it's my joyous feeling when I see the alumni of yesteryears doing good and great in the corporate world. The agenda is not just to do good and great, but also to inspire the forthcoming youngsters coming on campus to share the secrets, what you have learned over the years. So probably we'll have a better bonding between the alumni and the students studying here. I'm sure we have been working towards mentoring mechanism so the alumni can mentor the young students who are currently studying. I'm sure the teachers are giving the optimal blend of knowledge, skills, and competencies, but the alumni can actually tell them what is actually expected in the corporate world. What should you focus on? What is the expectation of the boss? How the times are changing, how the technologies are changing, how the expectations of HR managers are changing, because the alumni, they are the ones who are facing the real heat in the corporate world. Yes or no? Certainly. So it's time for us to understand how we as alumni and we as alma mater together can join hands and make sure the journey of success grows bigger, bolder, and more beautiful in the years to come. Now, the question which comes in front of us, what can alma mater do back to us, to all of us as alumni? What we as alumni can give back to the alma mater? How I can contribute to the young minds studying here at CIMP. Let me tell you, Harvard, Wharton, Kellogg's, Oxford, MIT, IITs for that matter, the best part which happens at most of these institutions is that alumni, they keep growing, they keep becoming stronger, and then they start supporting the alumni at campus. I have seen XLRI alumni going back to XLRI, recruiting more and more, and they make their entire, camaraderie at the corporate entity which they are working in much bigger and brighter. All the alumni from IIMs, they go back to their respective IIMs and they go to support more and more hiring from the campus. So is it, which I've seen from premier campuses internationally, be it Harvard, Wharton, Kellogg's, all the Ivy League universities. So it's time for us to understand, yes, we will celebrate today. We will enjoy the day. We will also make sure that this becomes memorable for all of us. But we shall also start thinking how we can give back to the alma mater, to the youngsters who are currently studying here. I'm not expecting hard cash from you, but your words of advice will shape the bright minds in manifold ways. At least you can talk to them what is expected from the corporate world, who understands better than our alumni. And I'm sure you can tell them that, look, there is an element of attitude of gratitude which you need to have when you are at the workplace. You cannot become arrogant and survive in the corporate world. You have to be polite. You have to be humble. You need to be a lifelong learner. You need to make sure that you are going with strong value system, professional ethics, and the commitment to make your organization bigger and brighter, strong entrepreneurial and intrapreneurial spirit, and last but not the least, to make our great country yet greater and to strengthen our corporate entity wherever we are working. So with these words, I congratulate all alumni members who are on our campus with a big round of applause for the success they have achieved and for the laurels which they have brought for CIMP. We are extremely thankful. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister who has envisioned this institution with a lot of hopes to make sure this institution catches up and matches up with the quality of academic delivery, consulting, research on the lines of IIMS. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere thanks to the founding director, Sir, Professor V. Mukunda Das ji, who has been a never-ending source of inspiration to a lot of our alumni members who are excelling par excellence. I also take this opportunity to thank all my eminent faculty colleagues who have been shaping all of you tirelessly, and I'm sure the kind of academic rigor which has been done in yesteryears, our alumni has been sharing from the dais. We have some recordings of the same as well. So with these words, I once again tell you very simple lines from some of the poets which has kept me moving. Heights achieved by great men. Heights achieved by great men were not achieved in sudden flight. They, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. They, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. So it's important for us to understand that we still need to work harder and smarter and sometimes leverage generative AI, artificial intelligence, big data, Hadoop, and all other latest technologies which are coming up so that we become a true mark of a leader, and not just becoming a leader, but becoming a role model for others. And I'm sure it's time for us to join hands together, enjoy the day, make it memorable, and take a pledge for yourself. Today, when I am at CIMP together, I will join hands with my alma mater and see how best I can give back to alma mater, to all my fellow would-be alumni members who are currently studying, and what I can take back from the alma mater. I'm sure the family is growing, and all of us, we are part of the extended CIMP family, irrespective of where you are working. So I once again thank all of you, those who are here out of your busy schedules. I congratulate you for your success and marvelous endeavors in your career, and I wish you great success in your careers from inner core of my heart, and wish you great luck. Please enjoy your day. Have a wonderful time ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. We are proud to share that on August 10, 2025, CIMP formed its Bangalore City chapter during the alumni meet. Alumni from across the batches came together with our respected director, Professor Dr. Rana Singh sir, Professor Ranjit Kumar sir, and Professor Nitish Nigam sir. The highlight was the election of Mr. Aryan Kumar Sharma as President, Dr. Shilpi Verma as Vice President, and Ms. Nana as Treasurer. This chapter will strengthen networking, mentorship, and collaboration among Bangalore-based alumni. इसी के साथ मैं आप सबसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि आपको क्या लगता है कि हमारा जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है एलुमनाई मीट का वो कहाँ होना चाहिए? I hear Goa. Any other city? Manali. Nitish sir, we have Goa, Manali, and Russia. All right. So with this, now may I request Shri Kumud Kumar sir, CAO CIMP, to share the recent development and milestone of our institute. Please give him a warm welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a matter of immense pride and joy to stand here today in presence of our beloved alumni faculty, students, and well-wishers. An alumni meet is always more than a gathering. It is a celebration of memories, milestones, and the unbreakable bond that ties us, all of our alma mater, Chandragupta Institute of Management, Patna. At the very outset, allow me to express heartfelt gratitude to the visionary leadership that has shaped CIMP into what it is today. I bow in respect to our founder director, Dr. V. Mukunda Das, whose pioneering vision led the foundation of this great institution. I extend my deepest gratitude to our present director, Professor Dr. Rana Singh, whose dynamic guidance is leading CIMP into a new era of academic and strategic excellence. Dear alumni, when you look back at your days at CIMP, you remember classrooms, case studies, library hours, cultural nights, and of course friendship that last a lifetime. But when you look at CIMP today, you will see an institution that is breaking new grounds every single day. We have established Center of Excellence that are shaping the future of research and policy. CIMP, BIIF, Center for CSR and ESG Foundation, Center for Public Policy, Center for Social Entrepreneurship, Center for Urban Studies, and more. Our international presence has grown. Georgia State University is opening a joint center for public policy with CIMP, and Georgia Tech University is conducting collaborative research with us. Through the CIMP Foundation, we have played a decisive role in shaping Bihar's CSR policy, a landmark achievement with active collaboration with UNICEF, TERI, and global institutions. In the field of entrepreneurship, CIMP has the torchbearer of Startup Bihar. Many of the state government's initiatives in the startup ecosystem are based on our recommendations. CIMP BIIF, our incubation center, has been recognized as the #1 incubation center in Bihar. We have trained last year more than 6,000 entrepreneurs under Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana and are mentoring 7 state universities, India's largest Ayush University in Jodhpur, and many engineering and management institutions. We are proud to be rated as 4-star institute by the Ministry of Higher Education's Innovation Council, which is highest rating. Our BHub, a world-class co-working and co-learning space at Maurya Lok, established by the Department of Industry and operated by CIMP BIIF, is nurturing over 200 startups under one roof. With 350 plus incubated startups, many have already touched valuation of over 100 crores. Our placements are scaling new heights. This year alone, 60 plus companies came for just 116 students, testimony to the value that CIMP talent commands in the market. Our campus infrastructure is being modernized with a grant of around 12 crore, and an additional 9.48 crore has been allocated through the kind support of Honorable Sri Harivansh Ji, Vice Chairman of Rajya Sabha, for building a world-class startup incubation center and Center for Public Policy. But friends, none of these achievements matter if our alumni are not part of the journey. You are the true identity of this institute. You carry its name, its legacy, its values wherever you go. We are proud to have created an alumni trust with the Bangalore chapter already active. This trust is not just a body, it is a family, a network that grows stronger when each one of you contributes. Tonight, let us tribute and remembrance for our dear alumni who left us too soon. Amrita, batch 10-12, Chandra Singh, batch 14-16, Abhinav Ranjan, batch 17-19, and Saurav Raj, 2022. Their memories remain etched in our hearts forever. In a moving gesture, the father of late Abhinav Ranjan donated 5 lakh to the Alumni Trust, and our director graciously matched this amount establishing the Abhinav Ranjan Scholarship for poor and meritorious student. This is the kind of bond that keeps CIMP a family beyond academics. Dear friends, CIMP is known not only by its faculty or achievements, but by its student and alumni. We want you to remain connected with your alma mater. We want your ideas, your mentoring, your support, your presence. This is your home, your institution, and its future shines brighter with your involvement. As we stand at this historic moment, let us remind ourselves CIMP is not just a management institute, it is a movement of change, a hub of innovation, and a family of achievers. Together, let us carry forward this legacy and make CIMP not just the pride of Bihar, but the pride of India. Thank you. Jai CIMP.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing us the wonderful updates and the development of our institute. So now, before moving ahead, I would like to ask some questions, and I would like to take you all to your college life. You all have to give just answer unanimously. Your favorite hangout spot in the campus. Your favorite hangout spot in the campus.
मैं आप लोगों के पास आ रही हूँ, आप मुझे बताएं, क्योंकि ऐसे यूनानिमसली सुनाई नहीं दे रही है, शायद आप लोगों ने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया है. Seniors, what was your question, Saurav? Can you hear your question again?
Your favorite hangout spot on campus.
Favorite hangout spot, seniors?
रूम नंबर 305.
Our whole group favorite hangout spot was room number 305 because of the Gyan Bhaiya here.
Can we hear something from this group? 403. What was so special about 403? Can we have the next question, Saurav?
This question is, one professor whose lecture you have never missed.
Vijaya ma'am.
One rule you proudly broke in the college.
यहाँ से मुझे आवाज आ रही है फायर अलार्म.
Okay, the next question is the most used excuses for being late to the class.
Dosa.
The funniest nickname you have ever got. Okay, we will continue it. So, now I would like to invite our respected placement chairperson, Mr. Vibhas Kumar sir, to deliver the talk titled CIMP Placement, The Road Ahead. Please join me in welcoming him on the stage with a huge round of applause.
Respected Director of CIMP, Professor Dr. Rana Singh ji, Chief Administrative Officer Kumod ji, my esteemed faculty, colleagues, all officers, friends, students, and most importantly, my friend alumni who are sitting here. I feel very proud. So let us first of all clap for today's. August 17th, 2025 is a very, very important date in the history of CIMP. I am associated with this institution for almost 2.5 years. And एक बात जो मैं अपने फ्रेंड से, कलीग से, डायरेक्टर से और CEO से हमेशा कहता था, we are missing out in one thing, is connecting with alumni. All of you agree? So we should be happy about today. I would like to know, by raising your hand, how many alumni are there, because backside some first year students are also there. Can you raise the hand, all the alumni? So we are going to make an important date today. All of you agree? Commit? With this commitment, I have been told to talk about the placement road ahead. As you know, for the last 2 years, I am handling the placements. But before talking about the placement, thoda sa liberty lena chahunga with the permission of organization to talk about who the alumni are. Can we talk? एक रिश्ता जो कॉलेज से, you know, college, when you are a student, you can be expelled. Professor can rejoin. But one relationship, once you become alumni, it becomes lifelong. Are you all agree? This relationship is a lifelong. How long? Till you survive. बड़े प्यार से अपने बच्चों को भी बताएंगे, I am an alumni of CIMP, right? All of you agree? We all feel proud wherever we have studied. तो ऐसे रिश्ते को, ऐसे रिलेशनशिप को, which we are to carry lifelong, we need to understand a little better way. Do you all agree? So this alumni relationship is a very, very emotional, delicate, everlasting and bonding relationship. And more we should have a region, we should have a date to celebrate every year. So I'm requesting alumni chairperson and the director that every year, I think after 2-3 years or maybe 4-5 years, we are celebrating this. So every year this should be celebrated. This alumni relationship, giving back to your alma mater, and the alma mater giving back to all the alumni network is very, very important. I'll tell you a story, very small story, a brief story, which is my life story. One of the institution where I have studied, they decided to celebrate 75 years. Please listen carefully, 2 minutes. 75 years, Diamond Jubilee or whatever, of their foundation day. And then what it happened? The whole batch of, I'm from an engineering college, so whole batch, there was a huge competition in each batch, what to give back to the institution. Somebody is talking, okay, we will be giving back the gym. Somebody talked, okay, we will give a bus, the batch. Somebody talked that, okay, we are going to give back thousands of cycles. Somebody is talking, AI is coming up, so I'll set up a AI lab. Somebody talked, okay, the garden is looking not so bright or not so greenery, so we'll adopt the garden. So the story is, the alumni has a great strength. When they decide, each batch contributing a small $1,000 and all, it becomes a huge money to give back to the society. It is not the money only. It is the love, affection, bond which you get after doing such things. Nobody asks you to do. The second thing is, all the alumni who are here are going to occupy. I am talking of an institution which has completed 75 years. Ours, we have completed 17 years, okay? We are quite young. So tomorrow, all of you are going to be heading an organization where you will be CEO, chairperson, directors, chairman. So you will have lot of opportunity to reconnect. And you will love, let me tell you very honestly from the core of my heart, you will feel very happy reconnecting with your institution. So what does institution get? Not only the connection, the networking, the bond, anything which we look forward. So on the similar category, all the alumni, sometimes you also look back to your alma mater for lot of learning, lot of institutional learning, research papers and all. So all are available at you. So I'll also request the faculty concerned chairperson and all. So whenever we conduct a MDP, Management Development Program and all, so all each institutions are also doing, and we we'll be also doing that. All the alumni can join at a concessional rate, and we look forward for such connection. On a similar relationship, one of the things which I am looking forward, which I am supposed to speak today, is about the placement. The institutions who has a huge, strong alumni network, they are blessed about the placement. And CIMP is also one of them. I am not saying CIMP is not one of them, because last year or year before, few alumni came personally who were heading the team. I can see some of the recruiters out of that team, and they have been contributing. I don't know, I'm not able to see, Rohit is supposed to be here. He's in Patna and he had promised that he'll be here, who's heading the tassel team of supply chain. And he said that he comes every year for recruitment. So what I'm trying to convey, like the Rohit of tassel or Rohit of Swedhara, Rahul of Swedhara, like many others of Jivika and all of you will be playing similar roles. Now, unless you come and find the so-called to-be alumni on the terms of director to be meeting your requirement, meeting your expectation, it will not be a very meaningful and satisfying for all of you. So the message I am giving to the persons who are sitting on the backside, it is very important that each one of you to reach out besides the college, beyond the college alumni section and all, to reach out individually to your seniors and start connecting and talking to them and asking them what we ought to do. As a placement chair and a placement team, Sweta ma'am is also sitting over here, we would also like to know what else we should be doing than what we are doing right now, right? Because the time is changing. The placement, even at IITs, I'll not say which IIT, I'll not say which IIM, and I'll not say which Harvard and all, whatever. There is a challenge. The challenging time is there. And the brand name of institution does not guarantee your excellent placement. Placement can be there, but I am talking about the excellent placement. So we need to develop, improve, renovate, improve upon then whatever we are doing. It is the time when we need to relook at all the activities which we are doing so that we are future ready. So I will be talking to some of you who will be meeting me during the lunch break and networking break. And I will also like to hear 1:1 what we ought to do. Just to tell you some development that what we are doing, few things, than the last batch and all. I found that the institution, the recruiters give a lot of importance, weightage or credential about when the placement report is audited and published. So that we had started, you all have seen. We also took a lot of effort to ensure that some of the friends, I'll say because they are all pass out, who were not so comfortable to continue in their journey and continue to support them even though they were declared, or declared means they had already a job in hand. We continued to do so with all the knowledge of the first recruiter, and I'm happy to see that all of them or some of them who were trying, they need to have an improvement, they got the improvement. We are running some program of the communication. Last year also we ran, and then this year we have modified, and the student run activities like GD, like the participation quizzes, all those things are happening, and it is happening in a very sincere way, the mock test and all. But I'm sure, I'm aware that it is not enough. So I'll take the opportunity to appeal to all the senior, all the alumni here to come forward, suggest what we ought to do. And also I request all the students who are there, who are going to be the alumni, that please have your LinkedIn profile very active. I find the LinkedIn profiles are not ready. Here is the chance sitting over in this hall. If your LinkedIn profile is active and you find your seniors, sir, what's your name? And if you're not able to know, immediately you can get connected. I can say whosoever has passed out, their LinkedIn profile and all are very, very active. So all those things are only meaningful in a umbrella of this institution alumni cell. I'm really thankful that we are going to now get the benefit, derive the benefit of this alumni network, which is Bangalore chapter already established, Delhi chapter in the making, of course Patna being the CIMP center is there, and we look forward to connect all the dots. So like BIT Sindri, which I was talking, like one of the alumni donated 100 crores and he's recruiting. He said, anybody passing out in this branch, come to my organization. And we are so confident with our network that even myself, I say some of my friends that to come to CIMP, they are ready to come. So I am sure that this network is going to be richer and richer, and we are going to reap the benefit, the entire community. We look forward for such more connections. Please feel free to reach out to us. I am always available for any of the suggestion which you feel that your institution as a placement cell is missing out. We are ready to listen. We are working on so many things on our portal and also that you people have much more visibility, etc. With these words, I am again thankful to the entire students, alumni, and particularly to the management for organizing this event. My best wishes for all of you for tomorrow. I feel very happy somebody comes that I got in 5 months a promotion. Somebody told 1 year completed at HDFC. I'm announcing the name. Sir, I got promoted. I think he's sitting over here. So I derive real pleasure in your growth, your journey. Let's celebrate all this journey. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Words. I can not only see the happy faces of our seniors, but we are actually very hopeful to know what the future holds for us. Okay, so now we have a section, this or that, for our seniors. May I have 2 volunteers over here, please? Okay, so आप लोगों को मैं 2 choices दूंगी और उसमें से आपको अपनी एक choice बतानी है. So what would you choose when it comes to exam or presentations? I can't hear you. ये बात तो आपको माइक पे बोलनी चाहिए. Can we have the mic here, please?
Either presentation or exam without Rashmi ma'am.
So my next question is library or canteen? Group study or late night preparations?
पास किए थे last year. Late night preparation.
Any specific reason for that?
We all pass our exam with late night preparation.
That's great. इसके लिए तो तालियां बजनी चाहिए, guys. Hostel nights or class bunks? क्लास नहीं बंक करना किसी को? Okay. So Bollywood night or DJ nights?
DJ night.
अच्छा, बॉलीवुड नाइट और डीजे नाइट में एक क्या उसे कहते हैं चॉइस है कि अगर आप जिसकी भी डिमांड सबसे ज़्यादा होगी वो आज फुलफिल किया जाएगा. तो चॉइसेस थोड़े अच्छे से रखेंगे गाइस. डीजे नाइट और बॉलीवुड नाइट? डीजे नाइट इट इज़. अब ये जो नेक्स्ट है इसके लिए मुझे आप में से कोई एक वॉलंटियर चाहिए, कोई एक सीनियर जिसे अपने बारे में 2 स्टेटमेंट ऐसा बोलना है जो गलत है और एक स्टेटमेंट ऐसा बोलना है जो सही है. और आपके जो दोस्त हैं और आपके जो बैचमेट्स हैं वो गेस करेंगे कि इसमें से सही कौन सा वाला है. सो कैन वी हैव समबडी टू वॉलंटियर फॉर दैट प्लीज? ज्ञानेंद्र भैया
प्लीज.
सौरभ, तुम्हें अगर बोलना हो तो तुम अपने लिए क्या बोलोगे?
That I'm a very good boy.
He's a very good boy. बहुत इससे तो अच्छा हम ज्ञानेंद्र भैया से ही सुन लें.
बहुत चीटिंग किए थे एग्जाम में हम. अब ये
पहला है कि भैया ने बहुत चीटिंग करी है गाइस.
अब आप लोग गेस कर सकते हैं कि वो सही है गलत. अरे कुछ भी
अच्छा, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट भैया.
कभी पकड़ाए नहीं लेकिन ये सही है गलत.
I would want Atul bhaiya to, just clarify that. कि ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है गलत
Both
भैया?
are correct.
क्या?
Both are correct.
Both are correct.
I am the one who helped him in preparation of that cheat.
Okay,
Now it's turn for the Shibu Bhaiya. Shibu Bhaiya. Guys, is it true or false? एक भी डीसी नहीं बैठा है. लकी.
थोड़ा सा पर्सनल हो गया है गाइस. अच्छा, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट.
दूसरा भी है. सोचिए.
पढ़ाई में मेहनत बहुत की है.
सही है गलत है? एकदम गलत बोल रहे हैं आपके बैच वाले. अच्छा, तीसरा स्टेटमेंट. 23-25 बैच के अलावा जो पुराने सीनियर्स हैं हमारे, आई वुड वांट कि आप भी इसमें पार्ट लें. कैन वी हैव थर्ड स्टेटमेंट?
Can we have the third statement?
Tell us two statements which are wrong about you and one statement which is correct, and we will guess which one is correct. Yes, yes.
फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. एंड सेकंड, आप बहुत अच्छे हो.
We have a clear winner, guys.
And the wrong one is the second option.
I would say that always go with the management. Thank you.
And the
पता है 3 स्टेटमेंट, 2 सही 1 गलत. गेस हम करेंगे.
Thank you for calling my name firstly. So the first statement is I study a lot.
ये तो
Second is I always stay in rules as said by the administration. And third is I am a good guy.
अतुल भैया,
कौन सा सही है कौन सा गलत है?
please confirm which wrong statement.
I will say the first one is right. The second one,
Atul भैया will confirm it.
आपके फ्रेंड्स कंफर्म करेंगे.
Shubham भैया is saying correct or not.
Though there was a reason behind it all, but it is true.
Can we know the reason, please?
No, you can't.
Invite Harshita and Soumya to take on the stage, please, for the cultural program. But before that, let's have a 5-minute break.